Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my friends. This is Carlos, and I am a Gallup certified strengths coach. I use CliftonStrengths as a tool to identify people's talents. I mean, Gallup put together this tool, which is great, to help individuals find talent in about 34 different categories or themes of talent. These are patterns, inherent patterns of feeling, thought, or behavior that if you invest in them and apply them, you can convert them into strengths. And strengths are not just simply what you're good at, but again, are things you are good at and you get energized by. Today, we're talking about those of you who wake up in the morning and see the world in structure. There are certain things that just need to happen. It's a very internal feeling, but it's about getting things done. So we'll be talking about people that execute. Though we've talked about people with lists or people that look at values to decide what they need to do or can juggle a bunch of different things. Today we're looking at you who think very structurally, very in a very structured way. You are at your best when you are allowed to use that structure to help others or to help yourself getting things done, the right things done. You are drained probably by things by people are disorganized, whose minds are so out of control. And they just do things very randomly. You are somewhat amazed that they may even get anything done. And I suspect that to get the best of you, my friend, I would have to recognize the fact that you have a structure about you that helps you be efficient and successful. Perhaps give you the opportunity to apply that even in times when things are a little chaotic. Take, for example, what is going on right now in the world. You probably could be very useful in your community, in your home. If you're in government, this would be great. Bring some structure to some very unstructured, an unstructured world right now. Now, be careful, right? Because sometimes we do need some randomness. We need people to think and get ideas, but then help these people get those ideas to action by putting some structure about them. So that's the way you help. You go out there and you don't only keep it to yourself, but then you explode and help others get things organized to get things done. Remember, this applies not just to getting things done, but also getting people done, meaning that when you're establishing relationships, you probably follow a very structured way about how you get to a very good relationship, and you probably think in a similar way. So go out there, be structured, but be helpful. Be disciplined and helpful. And for now, this is Carlos saying hasta la vista.